Hi everyone, we are Team 18 and this is Project Babelfish. Our project entailed retrieving data from chatbots and giving users ownership of their data so they could save and format it as they wanted. The IBM Retail Cancer Support Chatbot developed by NHS World and people with cancer showed the need for this. The creators of the chatbot were unable to move to a different chatbot provider without losing access to all their data stored on one thing, hence they incurred high running costs. However, our project success enabled us to extract and clean all data stored in the IBM Watson chatbot and integrate it to other chatbot providers. Our task was to create an application which allowed users to enter the details of their own IBM Watson chatbot. With this information, we are able to read their chatbot and create a file that has all the necessary information to create a chatbot. We also did data cleaning to get rid of platform-dependent information which was not needed and could be created again at runtime. We achieved this through various API calls and using the Pandas library to create a CSV file. The final requirement was to apply the data we got from IBM Watson to another chatbot provider.
We decided on a simple but effective solution. This involved creating a web application where the user could enter all the credentials needed for us to access their chatbot on IBM Watson. We will then get all the necessary information needed to replicate this chatbot with another provider and either upload it to our database and create a CSV file. The data was also cleaned and reformatted to our specification. The CSV file would be returned to the user as a download, so they can easily integrate with another chatbot. We can have successfully managed to integrate it with Discord and Telegram. The main technologies we used for this project were Python as the main programming language and Flask, a web application framework. The front end was written using HTML and CSS. It is hosted on Linode as a web application, hence there's no need for an installation of any priority software to use our application. We experimented with various chatbot providers to see how the data was processed and being used. With this and the help of the provider's API, we are able to communicate with the chatbots and pull any necessary information. We used MySQL and SQL Alchemy to manipulate and present the data before choosing CSV as the most suitable format.
This is our cancer support chatbot we created on the IBM Watson platform. One of the perks that should be highlighted is that Watson has AI and natural language processing and can identify similar questions. So here we have screenshots of our working web application. Users simply need to enter their Watson credentials, and if they are valid, a CSV file will be downloaded with all the data from the IBM Watson bot. There are also two screenshots of functioning Discord and Telegram bots that have the same downloaded CSV file from our application uploaded to them. Overall, the project was a great success as we've met all the requirements. We are proud to be able to give users and developers control of their own data for which they can use it in any way they wish. Since this is a web application, there's no software requirements for the user. Hence, a wide array of people with different levels of technical abilities can use it. Through this project, we've learnt about the differences in chatbot providers and language processing. We gained an insight into the industry need for chatbots and why businesses and organizations switch chatbot providers according to their needs and resources for their business.
Thank you for your time.